Model S.
The car key is actually a small representation of the car. And then if you want to open the trunk, you can just press the trunk, and you can, to open the hood, the front, you can just press the front, and to lock and unlock the car, you can just press the hood. So it's like a little tiny version of the car.
The acceleration was so smooth and absolutely fantastic, and the turning radius is perfect.
This is amazing. I drive a very nice car up till now, and I say up till now because this blows me away.
I went on the rough part of the road and I felt like I was sailing. I put my foot on the accelerator and the thing took off like a rocket.
Oh, it was awesome. It was so awesome.
Pretty excited and a little giddy. I'm shaking a little.
It rocks. It rocks.
It wants to go fast, but it also wants to let you know that everything's okay. It's under control, everything's going to be fine. You can go as fast as you want, you can go as far as you want. You can rely on this car. It's lovely.
Going around the corners, I just used it up as much as I could, as daring as I could be, and it handled it beautifully. It was just fun. It was fun. Got my adrenaline going, and I loved it.
The acceleration was spectacular. I love a beautiful car, and I've been waiting a long time to purchase a car, so this is the perfect car to wait for.
I want to see cars being built in the US again and be a leader in the industry. It was almost like a political contribution at the time. It was like I'm buying into a dream.
Oops. I can hardly wait to get it. It's like, do I have to get out? I want to stay in. Can we do it again? I want another one.
I think my money is well spent. I can't wait. Absolutely can't wait. Tesla really has me for life, I think.